well, Div Dog's giving himself some plenty of time again. But as long as not as late as it was last time I went to a Crewe U21 match, although I got 4 goals in. So, yes, today I'm going to Crewe Alexander versus Ipswich U21. So my laces have undone, fantastic. Bus is in 3 minutes, so it'll be fine. Should be, because I don't live far from this bus stop. I fucking thought it was the one opposite the North Park. It's not, it's the one opposite fucking the Pacific, or the hub, whatever you call it. Or the one outside the hub, sorry. The one where you do your general election votes if you're from round here. And if you're old enough, you'll realise. But, once again, it's miserable. Oh, it's just literally started pissing it down as soon as I've come out the house. Yes, Crewe. Anyway, shouldn't be too bad this. Might have a double header today, who knows? Because, like, I'm still into going to MK Dons v Salford in the Dons End. But I took me varies by the time I get home because I don't have a fucking clue. Because I do really want to go. I went last year and I fucking loved it. Like, just being in the away end and all that was good. But then I might just fuck it off. Who knows? But let's see. Wait, what to do? Like, just look at the weather. It's fucking killing this. The sky just looks like it's gonna fucking send fucking like the boat to every single person in the world. It just doesn't look good, does it? I was gonna get something here, but if I can get into Queen Square for 11:30, I should be fine. Because all these games are there, and I do really like the Mornflake Stadium, so I do want to obviously go back there. I don't think I've even watched any sort of Ipswich team in my life, so getting down there anyway, this should be good. There should be some goals. A score prediction, I'm going to go 3-2 to Ipswich under 21s. Just had another legend of a bus driver who's second asked me off YouTube, so fair play again. I think he's swapping to the bus now, he's going on 53, is it? I don't know. Anyway, I appreciate that fella. Love having a good shot. Yeah. Should be alright anyway, and just haven't done all that. Look, he pulled in when he did. Oh, bollocks. You just hate it when you've got fucking pins and needles in your foot and you can't even walk. That's exactly what I've got, because I've had my knee up against the thing. You bastard. Probably feels like proper all my legs like I'm rock solid and I can't move it. So these are about 4 minutes. I had to get myself quickly over because I knew it was on time. So yeah, cars are going to come flying across the house. So yeah. And she's on a tail while driving as well. It's not good. But I'm not going to be like Cycle Mikey, I'll give it. Fucking can't be arsed. We're going, that's all over social media. I've only put it on because I'm doing a vlog, but yeah. Hopefully I get on the train just buy, because I'm not bunking it. Just, I need to get on it because I don't want to buy a ticket if I wasn't going to make it. And I'm not being fucking 45 minutes late for one of the games, so let's just jump on this train and then book it then. Yeah, so Crewe don't have any food in the ground because obviously it's an under 21 game, so I've got all this. And I like the Mornflake Stadium, so it's just good that I can give it a visit. Barry's actually just showed mad as well. Should just buy one from one corner and back, I don't know. Well, at least it wasn't that one. 15 minutes or more, yeah. So it's more than 15 now. So it's got a hefty compensation there. Train from I think it's 10:55 or 11:55 to London Euston. Delayed by 155 minutes. 155. That's some hefty compo there. I mean, to be honest, there'll probably be other trains going across towards that way because there's apparently a fucking train line full to London Euston. I just fucking walk to this one here that goes to London Euston on this different line. You know what I mean? I fucking do that one, you know, and just say, still got a London Euston ticket. So yeah, someone was saying it was off rails. Here's the ground here. Yeah, I just thought of buying on this because I tried to buy it on the app, but it was off rails because the train was leaving and I don't buy my tickets until the train leaves in case I don't make the train, because you know how slow it can be. So yeah, got that anyway. A day return, not too bad. £9 is not the worst value, you know what I mean? You get about, what, 40 minutes on a fucking Avanti, and the Avantis are comfortable, so yeah, I'll give the Avanti West Coast credit. They are nice trains when you can get a seat. Sometimes you can't, but sometimes you can. Like today I struggled to get a seat, but just about got the two next to me. I thought, you know what, yeah, I was like, why the fuck is everyone going out with Liverpool at this early in the morning? Not many people, man. But yeah, man, it's what it is, and we're here. The Mornflake Stadium. Like, some parts of Crewe ain't a shithole, some parts are. I know that was random, but it's because I've seen it a few times. But like, the ground's nice anyway for fucking League 2. And yeah, can't believe Chesterfield won 5-0 here. And Crewe were bottom of the league for a little bit. But yeah, Crewe back on track after winning Bromley 2-0. And yeah, here we land. The Mornflake Stadium. I remember this seat from the fucking Burnley game, fucking when they played here. Oh, finished off. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the very top of the stand, why not? All these steps. Tell you what is really impressive, this stadium though. The views you get, unreal. It does feel bonkers how high up we are, like. You see, got the train station just there. And you got the retail park, and then just the actual pitch, which some view by the way. Like the trains, like that one over there, Transport for Wales, put them in. Yeah, today's game I reckon will be interesting. I think Crewe will give it a go, but Ipswich will probably win. But I don't know, because yeah, obviously you don't really go to these type of games often, but be an interesting one anyway. Ooh, yeah, I'll shoot from some sort of mad angle there. Yeah, the best part of the day is shoot. That's my famous saying was. Okay, guess that one lies. Well, I've just thought, imagine just living on them houses on the platform of the station. Or they just be on the station. What? I mean, you can see doors. So presumably a house. But it's on top of the station. That's fucking bizarre, that. Place it up then. Ready for the big game. So the atmosphere's weird. Taking the mick, that's what I am. But yeah, hopefully be a good game. So then Ipswich about to kick off then. And it's live. Glad Ipswich are in the Prem, but probably end up doing what I forced Luton. Fucking going off for fuck's sake. I hope they get beat just because I want everything to stay up. Although I want Ipswich to do well, in fact. But I mean, if Ipswich are more clear the relegation zone than us, and there's no way of catching Ipswich, then obviously they want Ipswich to win. Ooh. Anyway, in this game, not for us 2 wins, there's only wins what he wants, but cracking view of the pitch from up here. It looks like an energetic start. Fine time to shoot there, but it's going right over the bar. So it's been an equal game in possession so far. But it's a good ball. So before they even got played in, but I can tell what's going to happen. I can tell when there's going to be a goal. I don't know why. I can always sense it. 90% of the time. We won here. Yeah, still got that replaced. The actual lead. Still charging my phone up. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I will in a minute. Always does. Frustrating in a minute. Oh. Keep strong when he did. Oh, good shot and a good save. Yeah, positivity there from Ipswich. Oh. Just wide. Yeah, see, it's randomly charged now all of a sudden. I don't know what the fuck's up there. You can try and plug it in. If it hasn't been used for a while, it doesn't charge you. You've got to wait about 2-3 minutes. The thing on. It's like trying to warm it up or something. Oh. Ipswich cut that out again easily. Crewe giving the ball away, it's a good turn. Oh. Ooh. Ah, just wide. Yeah, Ipswich starting off dominance here. Well, that's the FA Cup second qualified round is drawn already. I can't wait for the season to FA Cup. I don't know why. I know we'll probably get knocked out first stage, but ooh, obviously Everton that is. I mean, as a neutral already, I don't mind Crewe. I don't mind Ipswich, to be fair. Like I said, not there in the Prem. Yeah, just following a few more of the teams in the FA Cup. If there's any more local ones, like I don't know, but just competitive and I love it. Yeah, I didn't realise National League North teams were put in the second qualifying round. I thought it was like the third or fourth. Learn something new every day. All of us should know it's a big footy fan, mate, shouldn't they? Nice ball. Neat. Oh, just well worked there from Alexander. Oh, decent ball, but headed into the floor. Just like grass. And Crewe on the attack anyway. Oh, tackle. Footy scraps. I don't know where all that's come from at all. There was no tackle, absolutely not in it. And the next minute, someone just fucking grabbed someone by the throat, and then everyone just jumping around each other. Bonkers though. Well, both of them got a yellow card anyway. Referee just like, just play on with you. So my phone's saying it's charging, but it hasn't gone up by any percentage. And now I'm just trying to find a train ticket that I've just bought at the station. What have I done to it? I mean, I just showed them a video of me fucking all the tickets, if any. I did buy them. Oh. What was it? I think it was smuggled by the goal. Shit. I'm generally baffled what I've done with the train ticket. Oh no. Okay. Fucking bollocks. Got purchases anyway, paid by card, so just show them on, just say paid. I should find it somewhere, probably just overthinking, but fucking stupid me. Ooh, just hard again. Wasn't far off there. Ipswich do look dangerous when you go forward. What have I actually done? Like loads of Mackies are seating here to claim. It's £2.99. fucking Big Mac and chips. I just don't know what I've done with the fucking... Oh yeah, it's alright, it's alright. VAR check. It's in my pocket. I'm a divvy. See? Panic about everything. Panic over Sean. Fucking carry on. I don't understand myself sometimes. Panic over anything. Now I've got the tickets, it doesn't matter. Yeah, for the 0-0 it's been an alright game, you know. Solid tackle there. And Ipswich full forward. Ooh. I mean, both teams are doing well at the back as well. It's a quality baller. I'm not going to say, just going to say it anyway, Crewe it in now. I'm not going to say, I always jinx it and they always miss, but I'm got it anyway. I think I must have about 6-7 Mackies to seat so I can get loads and loads. The offers on my phone. They're both far faster than me. Anyway, corner kick here for Crewe. Not bad actually. Doing great there. Yeah, both teams are attacking really well, I reckon. Get another corner for Crewe. Oh, that's a good delivery in the goal, to be honest. That's a decent delivery, like. Ooh. Nice dummy in. That was very lucky. It's a crack at attempt and a crack and dummy. That's been worked on the training ground as well. Well, Crewe came close to taking the lead here. And both teams are giving it a good go in attack, I reckon. There should be a goal. It's a very attacking game. I'd be shocked if it's a 0-0. But now I've said that, it will be a 0-0. I said that post now and it's gone over, but fucking hell. I think the wood work this time. It's Ipswich. Straight after Crewe. Back cross now. The ball's exactly at the back of the net, but when it matters, it goes over the line. And the Crewe defender force, he got it clear, but he hasn't. And Ipswich take the lead. I mean, it's a close one. You know what I mean? Whether it was just on the line, a little bit on the line or over, like very, very close. But I'm glad the referees give the goal because I've got a goal anyway, and it's not a 0-0 at least. Fucking 8-0 draws, but yeah, it's not one of them today. And the game has deserved a goal, if I'm brutally honest. And yeah, glad there's been a goal. But Crewe coming at Ipswich straight away. Seems like one team has a chance, another one goes, I want that chance as well. Ooh. Sheeran tried to save that, but wasn't that successful. Ooh. Was this very decent? We'll play in the future in the Prem or something. That'd be decent. Crewe have got space now and to the ball well, which wasn't too bad. You can see the idea. Great tackle. Ipswich are going forward again. Oh, it's off the post again as well. He's onside as well. I tried to take it on the keeper, but keep it in the way. Like, he was 1-on-1, got played in. I actually just dinked him when he had the chance to. Crewe ain't playing bad. He just haven't took the chances, you know what I mean? Yeah, good thinking to try and freeze him out, but the keeper's got there first. Switch that, you know. Play it backwards there. Ooh. That ball's worked out perfect there for Crewe. He has the right to argue that he got barged, but I think it was more strength. So that's it. So it's looking to be trained 6-0, weren't really concentrating. I think the past the Crewe players or Crewe squad went, was you there Saturday or something? I think went Crewe. Presumably did because he's a Crewe player, I think, I don't know. Or Everton. But yeah, unless he recognises from there, because he seemed to recognise me, but either way, yeah. What might have gone to Bromley like that would have been decent, but that's what Everton, sadly, was there. What save. Solid on, solid catch. But Ipswich are causing problems. Yeah, Ipswich look the most likely to score again here. They pressed a lot and lost 5-10. I swear Ollie's programmed by AI. Ollie just goes, yes, so, yes. So, yeah. Same answers all the fucking time. Anyway. Saved up. Well, half time anyway, it's 1-0 to Ipswich. A goal that was, you know, over the line just about, I guess. Being a referee and a linesman, you know, linesman doesn't flag up, referee said yeah. So, yeah, it must be feeling over the line. My angle of it wasn't the greatest, but the referees and the linesman obviously was. Yeah, it's been a good game so far anyway, I've enjoyed it. And yeah, I just like the stadium, the Mornflake. It's an heavy ground, isn't it? The second half's off as well. Can we get back into this? Hopefully the more goals, like. I reckon we can as well. I'll still be 3-2 prediction to Ipswich. I'm going to go 2-1 Ipswich instead. Ooh. That was a very dodgy pass. Oh, so that's not in the back of the net. Keeper's jumped on a goal. Brave there. A good goalkeeper. Nice bit of football there. Ooh. Oh! How was that being kept out? No, that is fucking bizarre. What? And what was the Woodsworth? How else 6-7 times this game has been class. I think that's generally at the Woodsworth 3 times there. That's like the FIFA glitch moment when everything is shoots. This is the crossbar and everything. It's nuts. I haven't seen anything that crazy in a long time, as in the chances missed like that. Obviously the craziest was Everton getting beat the other day. Ooh. Someone booted that ball over and it went all the way over and smacked that bus's window. Funny though. Ooh. I'm really surprised Crewe haven't scored though. They've hit the woodwork a few times though. Secondly, after them, 3 in a matter of seconds. That's like woodwork 4 or 5 times for them. I know Ipswich have hit it like 2 or 3 times as well. But for a 1-0, it's been really entertaining. Don't go to the ball until that final third that time, Crewe. But they win it back like that, and then they win it as well. Ipswich who have won it back again. 2 good teams here. Crewe are trying to find a way back into this. Sure, they might like, because they have played really well. Even when it's acted done well, just unfortunate with the chances, like hitting the woodwork that many times and not opening the scoring. Just crazy. And then obviously Ipswich scored, and then they've still not equalised after hitting the post again a few times. It's mad. They've been hammered over again there. I think there's been about 20-30 shots in this game. No exaggeration. Said the Everton fucking Z cars are ringtone me. Makes you think if it was one of them fellas recognise him. Who knows? But yeah, there we go. Nice ball there. Oh, intercepted. And Ipswich have got room to break. Oh, it's nice. And it's 2-0 to Ipswich. Quality counter attack. I think Ipswich put their game to bed. Well, it's tracked the boys there. Fucking excelling again. They've been good there, Ipswich again in attack, and they've been clinical. The thing is to say, Crewe have been clinical, but they've hit the woodwork that many times, which is hard, because you can still tell us near the goal if it's in the crossbar. Obviously, it's not going to count as a goal. I'm not saying it should, but what I'm saying is, it's like unlucky more than not being clinical for Crewe in this game. But yeah, I mean, there you go. Ipswich do deserve it. Yes, they do. They've been good. Crewe deserve something out of this as well. Oh, it's lovely work. Just going to leave it up. Ooh, keep it open there. Just took a nick there, but tell you what, if Switch is still going for it, and they're very dangerous up front. Couldn't get that clear, did it? Too good thing. Oh, it's brilliant though. Should just have an attempt in. Actually, that's even better to do that. Really improvable. You can tell me phone's got a last long because it really, it's charged about an hour and a half with 20%. And with these fast charging wires from Asda, it normally takes about fucking 20 minutes to charge about 80%. Never mind fucking 20%. Oh yeah. Charger, rest in peace. And Ipswich have a penalty. Well, to extend the lead then. Make sure of it. Oh, brilliant. Accidentally converted. And Ipswich got this in the bag. So Ipswich clinical again. The penalty there was brilliant. And the way to get around the player to win the penalty was exceptional as well. To be honest, Crewe have been good. But Ipswich have been very good as well. Sure, Crewe will do well though if they play at this still, because Crewe have shown some positivity in the play. Just hasn't been as good forward in front of goal as it look. You know what I mean? Been tough. I'm rather surprised they've been sent off. He got a yellow card for the little scrap before. I mean, obviously he's being sound, and I respect that number 9 for Crewe there, just getting on with it instead of fighting like some people would. But I mean, the referee's probably just tell him now to just be careful as he's going off, because he got a yellow card for the little scrap before, and he's gone to have like 2-3 tackles as well. I think Ipswich are being solid at the back as well there. So and he's got injured, didn't he? So possibly because there's traffic and everything as well, but yeah, no matter what Crewe's trying to do, it just doesn't go for them today. Comfortable way down for the keeps. They found the ball to loop over there. There was a little bit of contact, was it enough to go down? I mean, the play didn't go down anyway. Well, he would have went down, that would have been a penalty, but I think he must have given offside somewhere there. Or a foul either way. I see nothing's going forward and really Crewe. They do get forward, but it's just the final third, and even when they do well in the final third, it's just the ball's just not moving correctly for them, if that makes sense. But Ipswich are doing really well at the back, midfield on attack. I've been impressed. Hammered out the way, took none of that. Ipswich have been great today, absolutely great. They deserve the win. They've been solid at the back, good going forward. Crewe did deserve something, I think, but I don't know. It's one of them, innit? Crewe didn't be harsh for Ipswich not to win, because they've been good as well. Last day was a bit mad, but especially ball, I don't think the Crewe. Don't know why I just done it all the way, but yeah. I'm trying to lose my words. Ooh. Keeper's done good claiming them as well all game. Always been played in brilliantly. It's a good save. The offside flag is yet again not for the first time today up late. Post again. About 8-9 times today. The ball's right on the post. I should say would work as well. Grab the crossbar, but it's a great attempt. Full time here then. Crewe will feel hard done by that they haven't scored a goal today. But Ipswich have been great, and Ipswich do deserve the win. Really enjoyed that. It was good being here. It's a nice squad of the two teams. Well then. Peckish, but I don't know what back he's through to. One here, or one by ours. I don't know. Yeah, anyway, way back towards the station anyway. The Mackey's only about a 5-minute walk from Crewe, so yeah, not too bad. We're not going back to Mackey's in Liverpool just to give myself a £1.99 or £2.99, whatever it is now, Big Mac. If you all enjoyed, like and subscribe anyway. There's all legends. Have a good one. I enjoyed the game.
spots.